Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Beauty on Duty. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to achieve a clean girl makeup look. This look is trending all over my Instagram. And you guys know me, I'm the messy, curly hair girl. But if I can achieve this look, anyone can. So let's start. I'm gonna start with my skincare first. I'm using Pilgrims face mist and toner. So fresh. The next product I'm using is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I am going to use my favorite Pixie on the Glow for moisturizing my skin because we are doing the clean girl makeup look, obviously. For dry skin, this product is so good. I have dead dry skin and it makes me feel so glowy and my skin feels so soft after the Pixie on the Glow. I love it. Done with my skincare, I'll start with my makeup. As you guys know, I start with my eyes first. I am going to use Maybelline Tattoo Brow Eyebrow Gel for my eyebrows, not eyebrow pencil today. So basically, I'm not going to use foundation for this look. I'm using K-Beauty Concealer. I'll be using this one product for eyeshadow for my face. I'm using this Sugar's bronzer palette. I'm using the same eyeshadow brush for my nose contour. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Mascara time, I'm using mascara by Sugar. I'll be doing a very thin eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm using Kat Von D. So I'm using Revolution's Blush Bomb. This is one of my favorite blush. Laneige Lip Balm. I'm using a little bit of lip tint. Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter. I'm done with my makeup. I'll fix my hair and I'll see you in a bit. So here I am. This is my complete look. I hope this video helps you with your clean girl makeup look. And if you have any suggestions, comment down below and we'll be back with your request. Bye.